Hello, this is AJ McDonald with McDonald Financial Services. We got Devin Jones here, and we're going to be giving a 2026 forecast.
Should be a short video.
Exactly. Not sure what's going to happen.
Not sure what's going to happen.
Something I do think is going to happen, though. The Federal Reserve is going to be meeting, and I think they're going to be cutting interest rates at least one time next year.
I would think so. Yeah, that's kind of been the general consensus, is that we'll see a cut. It probably won't be in January. You go out on a limb and maybe say that. Who knows? I mean, it could happen, but the minutes just came out this week, so it doesn't look favorable for a January cut.
No, probabilities is pretty low for that, but time will tell. I think personally, I think inflation is going to continue to be resilient and stay in that 3-ish% or high 2% range.
Yeah, not what the Fed are looking for. I mean, that's not the mandated number that they have looked for. Closer to 2% is where they'd love to see it. It's been very, very stubborn on its way down to where it is now.
Anyway, so I think we're going to see a change at the Fed.
Yep. Jerome Powell, his term is up in May, so he'll be replaced by, one would guess, a favorable Trump individual, President Trump.
I think so.
That he would like to see in there, and I would guess will be pounding the table for rate cuts. But there's a lot of dissension right now. I mean,
there is.
The committee members are not in agreement on what should be happening. So, replacing the Fed chair is not necessarily going to mean immediate rate cuts.
Exactly. I think we'll see unemployment continue to creep up next year, which will cause the Fed some difficulty on what to do with interest rates.
So that can cause some volatility for the market, I would guess, next year. We might see some added volatility that will have to be dealt with. But that's typical year to year. I mean, we see volatility. So.
We do. It's an unusual year when the stock market doesn't have a 10% drop or more. Right. So we should expect that every year. Right. I'm guessing that'll happen next year.
I would guess so. Hey, something to celebrate in 26, though. You want to take the floor on what we're celebrating next year?
We're celebrating our 25th year in business, so that's great. Thank you for all those clients that have been clients for all 25 years or longer. So, that's good news. I thought you were talking about the midterm elections for next year.
Something to be celebrated?
Well, maybe.
Depends on who you are, I suppose.
Historically, we would expect to see a split government at the midterm.
It's typically what happens. So,
I would expect to have a lot of political TV ads on TV.
Yeah.
So I can't wait for those.
Yep, I think we can go ahead and step out on a limb and say there will be lots of those.
Yep. What else are we predicting for next year?
We're not allowed to predict a whole lot. I don't know. Travis Kelce will get married next year. You want to go out and say that's a foregone conclusion? It's a guarantee?
I think it probably will be.
You think so?
I think so. Yeah, I think so. Now, whether or not he retires from football, that I think will be up in the air.
I thought he already did retire. I mean, he had a year that I thought.
Whoa. He's a Pro Bowler. Pro Bowler in 2025.
Didn't tell anybody he retired.
Yes. Unfortunate for the Broncos and their Super Bowl hopes, knocked out in the first round.
Oh, there's a prediction for you. Wow. Shots fired. Okay.
Yeah.
The office is divided on NFL football around here.
So. Absolutely.
But
anyway, we're expecting to have continue to grow our client base. Hopefully, we see the markets grow along with that. And hopefully we don't have too many of our senior clients pass away. Our oldest is 103. We're hoping he makes it to 104.
Right. Yeah. No, many more get up over that triple-digit number.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So that's what we got to say about 2026. We had a great 2025, and looking forward to see everybody in 2026. Thanks for watching.